Decided to set up outside. Cleaned the table real good, scrubbed it, soap, everything, disinfected it, sanitized it. Got my mason jar ready, cutting board, knife. Got it laid out. Gonna set it up. This is what I'm gonna juice. It's been sitting in my fridge because, man, the juicer took a while. But organic celery, organic ginger, organic carrots, so this is one of the free papayas. I'm just gonna chop off all the moldu and all the bad stuff. You'll see. So yeah, so I'm gonna prep this up. But this is what I'm gonna juice. Alright peeps, so I'm just gonna put this in there with the manguera, with the holes, rinse it up. Yeah, keep it simple, keep it fast. Let's see if I'm gonna record it then. Alright my peeps, I'm gonna rinse the carrots first. Alright peeps, so I'm just gonna chop this up and then start juicing. Alright, when I clean all my produce. Alright. Dice this up, but this is what I'm gonna juice for the first round, and I'm gonna juice that for the second round. But I'm gonna set this up. This video is getting too long. Juice catch bowl. Yeah, look all the pulp. Yep. So let's serve this up. See how it tastes. Still got enough to juice more. See this super elixir of life and energy. Alright, let's do this. Oh my god, look at this goodness. Alright. See how this thing tastes. Spicy, that ginger. Whoa, it's powerful. Just those two little pieces, wow. Oh man. It's good though. But that ginger is fucking strong. Oh my. Ooh. No, it's good. It's just that ginger is pretty strong. Gotta go easy. You gotta put a little bit of that ginger. Oh my god. Woo. Yeah, it's kind of spicy. Ooh. Yeah. No, it has a really good kick to it. No, really. Well, I'm gonna say the rest and continue juicing. Yeah, this thing is spicy. Yeah, that ginger. I'm gonna put a little piece on the next one, just to give it that little hint, that kick. Oh, whoa, whoo-wee, this thing is spicy. Yeah, that ginger is strong, dude. With a little bit of ginger, a little bit goes a long way. If you have a high tolerance, be generous. Throw a big chunk. Don't be afraid. Yeah, it's good. All right, pizza. I'm gonna juice the rest. All right. Peace, love, and health. All right, peace. All right, my peeps. I juiced everything. Like I said, I was shy with the tumor. I mean, with the ginger because it's pretty powerful. Yeah, so I juice everything, and that's all the bulb. Yep. So once I finish this one, the first batch, I'm gonna drink this one. I could probably mix this up in there, but I want to taste how it. I want to see if it tastes better without with. Well, it tastes not tastes better, but it's more pleasant with just a little bit of ginger. All right, peeps. That's it. That's me juicing. All right. Peace. Yeah, I just mixed them in. Much smoother. Alright, so what I'm going to show you guys one thing to do with your boat. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse this real quick while it's still fresh. All this right there. See how fast and easy? Just power rinse everything, no soap, no nothing, just pressure and water. And yet again, I'm watering the plants, I'm watering the garden. Yeah, this thing is too good. I'm gonna clean it up too. I'm gonna show you guys. Take a little break. Alright, babe, so just kinda real quick, you don't have to really take that long. See, the water came out pretty clean. It's gonna be easier, faster. Power rinse it real quick. All the stuff, when I just power rinse it, no soap, no nothing. And I'm gonna water the garden. Alright, my friends, do this. I cleaned everything. Power rinse everything. Real quick. Yep. Just pressure and water. No scrubbing, no nothing, no elbow grease. Just pressure and water. And you water the garden. Right? Yeah, there's still a little bit. It goes to the concrete, but it's a little bit. The water that splashes. But yep. So that's it, my peeps. That's the juice. I'm gonna start juicing. I gotta pick this up. Alright, my peeps. Latest.